How to schedule WhatsApp message on your iPhone. For that, you'll need to open your shortcuts and then from here tap on automation. After doing that, tap on the plus icon right here. Then tap on time of day. Then in here, you'll have to now select the time that you want to send the message. Just like this, I have done that. Now on the day repeat, if you want this message to be daily sent to them, you can select daily, weekly, or monthly. But if you don't want that to happen, then you can select daily now and later delete your automation. If you scroll down a bit, you can get two different options of run after confirmation and immediately. Select run immediately. After doing that, tap on next. Then in here, tap on create new shortcut. Then in here, tap on search icons, start typing WhatsApp. After selecting WhatsApp, tap on send message. Then in here, tap on message and write down the message that you want to send to them. Tap on recipients, then search for your contact. Here you can see I have selected the contact. Now all you need to do is tap on the tick mark right here. Then tap on the tick mark one more time. And just like this, you have successfully scheduled a WhatsApp message on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.